Hey guys, it's Cougarman and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest.
Hey guys, this is Asher.
And we're just going to be playing Bee Swarm Simulator. So, yeah.
Okay, so right now I'm just doing challenges.
Yeah, he's doing challenges. So am I, too. You have to get 300,000 pollen. And
300,000?
yeah.
I'm a nubby, I just barely started today.
Yeah, it's fine, but you're doing good.
But look where I am right now.
85,000, that's actually really good. At the start of the day, he was at 0.
Well, yeah. I mean, at the start of the day, I was at school.
Well, yeah. So was I.
Started.
So,
Doesn't that sound kind of like
middle of the day.
What do you mean?
What field are you in?
Sunflower. Well, not sunflower. Dandelion.
Dandelion, okay.
Hey guys, in the comments, can you guys put, what we should do for a video, like, how to, or, like,
Yeah.
some how-tos?
Yeah. And just
like, 0 to heroes.
Yeah.
Yeah, just whatever you want us to do.
Yeah. Wait, why is this guy? Oh, that guy was so slow. He was walking like slow. I can't. And obviously, just in case you're wondering, he's a Rhino Cash.
Yeah. 500.
Yeah.
I had a channel. I have it, but I will not use it. It's Kickash50.
Yeah. So, go subscribe.
You don't really. You shouldn't. But.
And I know my channel is Cougarman09. I don't know why. But yeah. And comment below if you want us to play like any other games, like not like just Roblox.
I'll play Fortnite.
Yeah.
But I play on Switch, so you can't video.
Yeah.
Well, like video it.
Well, you could.
Kind of, but not like screen video.
Yeah. I'm not too close to being done.
What?
My challenge, I'm only at 115,000. It's not close. Oh wait, oh yeah, you're right there. Here, come here.
I need to collect pollen from mushroom field, blue flower field, and sunflower field. I've already done the dandelion. Wait, what did you do?
I'll just send me a friend request. And nice the beast.
Here, 1 second. I'm gonna type something in the chat.
How much bees do you have? Asher?
Hey Raiden, look at the chat.
I don't see anything.
Wait.
I'm scared what you're gonna type. I don't know why I'm scared. What?
Yeah, that's how you do. Okay.
Did you type it?
Gosh, why is that upside down? Yep, it's upside down. The last four, whatever they are upside down. Subscribe to Cougarman09 exclamation. Exclamation. Is ready. Cobweb sweepers ready for Black Bear.
Look at the jet.
Yeah, I was gonna put that.
The flying completely by. Not P-series.
I don't even know what the TU series is.
Me neither. All I know is that
Nobody likes it. Well, a bunch of people like it, but
yeah, but PewDiePie's not popular. How much eggs have you hatched?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, only 5. Once I get to 100,000, I'm almost to 100,000, and then I'm just gonna buy a bunch of bees. Buy a bunch of bees. Buy a bunch of bees.
If I could gift you honey, I would.
What should I do? Buy a better like backpack and stuff. Buy more bees. Backpack.
Honestly, don't know. I'll probably go see how much the Porta Hive is.
You know, I'm just gonna go and see if I can get a better backpack.
How much is the Porta Hive?
Open shop.
Oh
my gosh!
50,000. I spent all my honey accidentally because I didn't know on. Why won't it let me go into the shop? Well, I spent it on these boots because I didn't know they costed honey too. It was sad.
How do you get better stuff than just that shop? Because I got all the best stuff in that.
In what shop? Oh, in the
I got
shop?
the best stuff.
So, in the shop that I'm in right now, you have to have the level. You either have to hatch 10 eggs, or you have to discover 8 types of bees, and then you can get up there, and they're like. Here, I'll go tell you all the prices of all of them.
I got 3 basic eggs.
Nice.
So now I only have like.
So you've hatched 8 eggs. You just need 2 more. And then you can come up here. So what is that called? The Mega Jug? I can't see it. Yeah. The Mega Jug costs 50,000 and holds 24,000. The compression.
Should I use
compressor?
I have 3 royal jelly. Should I use them?
Sure. The compressor is 160,000, holds 50,000. The one that I have is 650,000 and it holds 100,000. And the Porta Hive is 1,250,000 and 150,000 holds pollen.
Rage bee. I got a rage bee.
You got a rage bee? Oh, I have that.
Yes, I did.
Kind of. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Are you buying stuff or something?
I'm leveling up.
So the black bear, I have like, I'm pretty sure it's like 17, 16 or 18, whatever main quest until I get the diamond, his diamond egg.
How good is it?
Is it vacuum? It's alright. Not too shabby, but it's pretty good.
Okay, where is the mushroom field? Is right here.
The mushroom field is over by me. Yeah, y'all. Hi.
Okay, sorry that we do not talk a bunch, but that we will wrap it up right here.
Make sure to subscribe and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can be notified when we come out with a new video, and like this video, and see ya.